the beginning of fall. It's still warm outside, but the leaves started to fall. The temperature in the mornings and evenings drops, and it's really comfortable to sit outside and drink the morning coffee or have our breakfast and just soak up the beautiful weather. Many of you asked me how I made the donuts that I posted pictures of on Facebook. So today I'm going to make them and share the recipe with you. But before I do that, I want to share some of the things that I bought, and they're fall inspired. So let's get started. The first thing is these espresso cups in this beautiful rich chocolate color. They are from Magnolia, and they are scalloped shape, which makes them even more beautiful. The next thing is this table runner that has almost the same shade of brown as the cups. Something else that I bought is this cast iron bread oven, and I think you know that I love making and eating good bread, and until now every time when I was making rustic bread I was using my Dutch oven pot, but now I have this specifically for bread. I bought a few other things, and one of them is this Gucci lipstick, and the shade is Janet Rust. This is the color. It's a nice muted burgundy color. I don't think the camera catches the color good, but it's really nice. Then I have these Levi jeans that I need to tailor because they are too long, but I think no matter what style you choose from this brand, you won't regret. And the last thing are these Franco Sarto wedge shoes in this beautiful dark brown color. They are genuine leather, and I think these will be perfect for wearing them under jeans or under pants. Okay, these were some of the things that I bought, and now let's make some donuts. So for this recipe you will need 400 milliliters of warm milk, around 8 grams of dried yeast or 20 grams of fresh yeast, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of flour, 70 grams of butter, 3 egg yolks, 1 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, grated lemon peel, 500 grams plus 1 tablespoon of flour, and vanilla sugar, and that is optional. So let's get started. Значи за овој рецепт ќе ви биде потребно 400 мл топло млеко, околу 8 грама сув квасец или 20 грама свеж квасец, прстоват сол, 1 кафено лажиче шеќер, 1 супена лажица брашно, 70 грама путер, 3 жолчки, кора од 1 лимон, 500 грама плюс 1 лажица брашно, 1 до 3 лажици шеќер и ванилин шеќер, и тој не е задолжителен. In 50 milliliters of milk, add the yeast, pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix it all together and let it sit until the yeast activates. Значи во 50 мл млеко го додаваме квасецот, прстоват сол, 1 мало лажиче шеќер, една голема лажица брашно, промешуваме и го покриваме да го оставиме да се активира квасецот. In the meantime, in a bowl, add 70 grams of butter. Во длабок сад додадете 70 грама путер. Add 3 egg yolks, додадете 3 жолчки. Grated lemon peel, кора од еден лимон. 1 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Една до 3 супени лажици шекер and 1 vanillin sugar и еден ванилин шекер. Mix it all together. Промешайте го сето заедно. Add 350 ml of warm milk and stir. Додадете 350 ml млеко и промешайте. Add the yeast, додадете го квасецот. And 500 grams plus 1 tablespoon of flour. И 500 грама плюс една лажица брашно. Mix the dough with a wooden spoon until you see bubbles are forming, which means the dough is kneaded well. Мешајте го тестото со дрвена лажица додека не видите дека се формираат балончиња, што значи дека тестото е убаво измесено. Cover it and let it sit until it doubles in size. Покрите го и оставете го да стои додека не нарасне. After it has doubled in size, put the dough on a floured surface, sprinkle with flour on top and roll out the dough with a rolling pin until it's about 1 finger thick. Значи, од кога тестото ќе скисне, ставете го на брашната површина, нарисете го тестото од озгора и развлечете кора со клагија во дебелина од 1 прст. With a glass or donut cutter, cut the desired shape, place it on a floured surface and cover it with a towel. Со чаша или со модла за крофни направете ја саканата форма, ставете ги крофните на набрашната површина и покријте ги со крпа. Fry the donuts in hot oil, placing the donuts on the other side than the side they were on. Пражете ги крофните во врел зејтин, така што ја ставате крофната на другата страна од страната на која што лежала.